나가지를 못해 너 너무 sweet and sour 내 하루를 흔들어.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nazwa Qhallydza Zahra with NPM 2321220222. I will explain about phonetics and phonology, and here we go. First is phonetics. Phonetics is a science that deals with the sounds of human language. Acoustic phonetics, auditory phonetics, and articular phonetics. Acoustic phonetics deal with the study of physical properties of sounds in the form of sounds, with that result from the production of the sounds that produce to create airwaves that travel from the speaker mouth to the ears, to his ear. This is what makes listener hear what the speaker say. Auditory phonetics deal with how sounds are perceived by our brains, as just started when one speaks the sounds the product creates sounds with. And articulatory phonetics also deals with the sounds of language, but it focuses on how the sounds one produces. The focus on sounds production necessarily means that this branch of phonetics must be handled the speech mechanism that is involved in the sounds production. And in phonology, we talk about how the sounds are released and arranged when used in actual speech. In phonology, we also discuss the arrange of sounds in to form and syllable a word. In English, for instance, we have the sounds. The sounds can occur together at the end of a word in order of phonology also handles how words are phynologically formed. From the description above, we can see that phonology does not deal with how sounds are performed, produced, or perceived, but how they are arranged in relation to other sounds. In other words, phonology studies the sound system of language. Number 2 is phonology. Phonology is different from phonetics in the focus of the study is different. If phonetics, we deal with the motion, produce, and perception of sounds. In phonology, we talk about how the sounds are released and arranged when used in actual speech. Oh my god, stop lying, sorry. And as an example, the vowel a, as in gone, is phonetically speaking are oral sounds. From the point of view of phonology, however, this sound is nasalized, that is, it picks up the nasal feature. When it is followed by a nasal section an. In other words, in the sound system of this vowel becomes nasalized And in phonology, we also handles how words are phonologically formed. Yes, from the description above, we can see that phonology doesn't deal with how sounds are formed. Oh my god, sorry. And number 3, sounds are leaders. Sounds are not leader. A sound, however, may be replaced graphically by leaders, but a sound is not synonymous with a leader. The noise that a human communicating with another human is, as we know, a sound. The sound is different. The human sounds of combination of sounds brings about meanings. And number 4, phonetics, phonology, and phonemics. We have made a distinction between phonetics and phonology in the previous section. One technically term remaining, which is related to the study of sounds. In phonetics, the phonemes in in the phonemics, we study sounds in order to determine whether certain sounds are in the with certain other sounds, which bring about different meanings or not. In other words, whether or not you experience the sounds does not change the meaning of the word. Sounds may not be phonemical contrastive in one language but contrastive in another language. For instance, aspiration language is significant. The words pa means cloth, and this constitute two different phonemes. Meanwhile, these two sounds in English constitute only one phoneme. The symbol as used from phoneme is conventionally like this. Yes, like this. Okay. While for puns is like this. For typographical purpose, the districts used in this book to not always follow the international phonetics alphabet. Abstractly, we say that phonemes are the similar distinctive units of sounds in a language. All phonemes are variants of one and the same phoneme. The phoneme, for instance, is aspirate at a certain position and unaspirate another. We say that the two variants are allopants of the same phoneme, namely the two palm. For all my mistake, I'm so sorry for all my mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.